What's going on, everybody? My name is Forte. I'm going to show you the inside-outside slide. It's a combination of two slides together. The regular push-pull transition and the foundation of the reverse. Alright? This is a step-by-step, just so you know more slides than the basic stuff that everybody's doing. Alright? Here it comes. So this is an example of what it looks like. Okay? So what you're doing first is the push-pull transition part of the slide. You do one revolution, like one cycle of it, which is push. And all this is in my first tutorial. Push off, right toe, left heel. Use your momentum to push off from the right toe. You switch. Form a V with your feet, left toe, right heel, and then you pull it in. That's the push, this is the pull. And then the transition is you going back to right toe, left heel. And then from there, once you push again, this time instead of pulling like normal, you're gonna go from behind and pull. This makes it the reverse part. So one revolution regular, push, pull, transition. This time you're gonna go behind. So it's left toe, right heel behind, and then you go back. You transition to right toe and left heel, and you push sideways, horizontally. Okay? That's important. So one revolution, and pull and push sideways, that way. Okay? Alright, before I was teaching you as if I was facing you guys, this time I'm going to teach you as if I'm in your direction, your point of view. Okay? So that way the steps are easier to pick up and you don't have to like work it out in your brain. Okay? So I'm going to be facing this way as if I'm you guys teaching. Alright? So you're behind me now. So this is exactly what you would do. Starting with your right foot. Remember, the first way is the regular old-fashioned way. You do one revolution of that. Push, right toe, left heel slides across, switch, left toe, right heel, then you pull. Then you do your transition, back to right toe, left heel, and do one more half cycle. Boom. After that, you switch. Left toe, right heel. This time the right toe goes behind the left foot. This is what makes it different from the other slides. Boom. And it goes horizontally across this time. Switch, right toe, horizontal. Switch again. Pull, right toe push. It goes behind again. Switch, push, pull, and push. Alright? So a little bit faster. It's going to look like this. Push, pull, behind, push, pull behind, push, pull. And then the other way, if you're left footed, push left foot, pull, push left foot, switch, pull behind you, switch, slide horizontal, pull in, push, pull behind you, and so on. You do it either way. Okay? whenever you're performing this, it's best for a side angle. I've noticed that in videos, you probably noticed it already. You get the full effect of what's going on in the illusion from the side. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. I'll get to them, I'll answer them, and I'll get a close-up on the video too, so you can see everything.